All right. Good morning, good morning. Sorry, I was running a bit behind this morning. I did not get the opening trade, although looking at the opening trade, my levels would have been here. And I probably would have had my order here. That's not 20 ticks. I would have definitely got faked out today. So, blessing in disguise. And there was no, I mean, there was a retest, but my order, I probably would have had my order here. I would have got tagged in. So my take profit order would have been somewhere around here because I would have drawn this level as well. And I would have been looking to front run it. I totally would have got faked out today. All right, I'm all caught up now. I was thinking about trying to get into a trade here, but I went and drew that line, so I would have been looking for the push above that line first, which we did not get. John Doe, good morning. Donovan McNabb, good morning. Tamimi, good morning. Zishan, good morning. Oh, bit of a late start this morning. Sorry about that. Micro Center has a 65-inch ultra high def Google TV for $300. There's no way that is a good TV. The manufacturer is Sansui, S-A-N-S-U-I. Sansui. But that's crazy. A 65-inch TV for $300. That's nuts. Free local delivery for any new 65-inch and larger TV, starting at $499. So it would even get delivered for free. Wow. Absolutely crazy. I think if I got a new TV, though, it would have to be bigger because the one that I've had for 11 years now is 60 inches. So... Hey man, everything work out yesterday? Yes, thank you for asking, James. I appreciate that. He's walking a little funny today because he fell on the basketball court. He ran into somebody else and fell, and I guess he landed on his elbow and his knee, and he scraped it up pretty good. And he's kind of sore today, but he'll live. Thankfully, I was just really worried because the nurse said that it was like turning purple around where he landed on his elbow. And so I immediately thought he broke something, but thankfully that was not the case, and he'll be okay. Roku reflects that price? What price? Oh, the TV price. Gotcha. Yeah, so yeah, my original TV that is still on the wall has been through so many moves. It's been to Florida, been back, I mean, I can't tell you how much that thing's been through, and it still works perfectly. It's a Samsung it was like one of the first 60-inch TVs ever put out 12 years ago. And I bought that thing and it has been flawless, and I've had no reason to get rid of it. So until it either dies or there's like a deal on like an 80-inch TV that I really like, I have no reason to upgrade. But a 65-inch TV for $300, that's pretty crazy. And they'll deliver it. Let me get a marble started. No one even typed it yet. Interesting. Exclamation point marbles in the chat if you would like to enter for the giveaway at 11 o'clock. I did not take the opening trade, thankfully. We are on the new, look at this. We are funded. So I was actually funded, it was at like 3:50 in the afternoon yesterday, like right before market closed. The email went through that we were funded. So I guess in theory, I could have actually traded my funded account the same day that I passed the eval. So just to let you know that that is a possibility. Oh, there's the break of that level we were looking for. Oh no, am I on the right account? Okay, I am. See if we can get the retest. That said it was 52 ticks. Ugh, should have put it at 50. Damn, that sucks. Come on, come on. Damn, that sucks. It was a little too low there. Hopefully we don't get burned. Just gonna go for the bottom of the candle here. Man, look at where the bands are. Jeez. These are actually some decent sized candles too. That sucks because we would have got back in for our first entry here, not a second, had we got that fill. Hopefully we can just get a retest of this candle, and that will give us a little bit more than we would have made on the first trade, but this would have been a second trade. Come on, just retest the candle. All I'm looking for, not looking for the full retest again. It just sucks because it kind of gave the retest. So in theory, I would have drawn a line here and we only would have been looking for this now, which it already did. So I feel like we're kind of just hoping we get the retest of the bottom of this candle. There we go. Come on. There it is. All right. Oops, wrong one. So I ended up with 54 there. We were trying for 52 on that first one. So it ended up working out. It was just a little unfortunate because we would have had a second trade there, which would have worked as well. But now we can look for a third trade. Well, technically a second trade. But what I was going to say about the opening trade, I even drew out my levels this morning, but then I got pulled away from the computer. I would have got faked out today. So the first opening trade, that wouldn't have worked because this is the 930 candle. My level would have been drawn here. I would have had my order here. And because I would have been trying to front run, if we scroll back, this level here. And this, if you go from here to here, that's 34 ticks. But from the bottom of this candle to where my order would have been was only like 13 ticks. So we would have 100% got faked out today. So blessing in disguise. A little bit of luck on our side for once. Rayu, what's going on? Kosiji, Keeter, Lord's Play. How we doing today? Everzale, Bread, Nakija. Sorry, I butchered that so bad, but I feel like I might have got it right. Or is it Naki? I'm not going to say it again. I'm sorry. Is it Ni or Nai? I feel like I could get the second part of it if I knew if it was Ni or Nai. But I'm going to go with Ni. Nikisha. I feel like that's right. James, good morning. Mike Bike, good morning. I think I got everybody. I haven't seen Froggo yet. ASR, good morning. Now this one, this isn't even a name. What is this? Bizkebenisi? It's just like a bunch of letters put together. All right, so we did get the full retest there again, right? So that's what we were looking for. This is a line, if we go left, I drew this line based off of all these touches. So that's why I was looking for it to bust through there the first time. Did I get it right the last time? I feel like I did. Van Houter. I could just call you by your last name. I feel like I definitely get that. I'm usually really good with names. That's the funny part. Good morning, Karen. How are you? Nikisha. Yeah, so I got it right the last time. Nikisha. That's what I said the last time, I think, right? I'm cool with that, Van Houter. Okay. We'll stick with Van Houter. I can't mess that up. Katero. Good morning. All right, just waiting for a push. We're actually getting up towards red to green as well as the high of the day. I actually, when I woke up this morning, I saw this and I thought that we would just be heading down the rest of the day, but we've slowly been making some higher lows and now we had a decent open here. Do we have any news today? I should probably check into that. Financial Juice and Forex Factory. Today is Wednesday. We do have job openings at 10. Oh, there's actually red folder news for the Canadian market at 9:45. Maybe that's what this was? No, that was too early. That was right here. So 10 o'clock, we have Jolt's job openings, which is red folder. We'll see if that moves the markets at all. And then at 10:30 a.m., this is that's Canada again. Never mind. Sweet. See, I figured it out. Morning, you should show us how to mark those levels to catch the 9:30 open. It's pretty easy. So I just scroll out and I look for the obvious levels, the ones that get multiple touches. So, but I look for where the price is currently. So I didn't mark the upper one, but it was right here. And the price was just chilling in between these two, right? So then I look for where can the price go? And and I just look for more key levels, right? So here was another one where it touched. And if you go, I mean, you can go even further out. Look at this. Just find places where there's multiple touches, because that's usually where there's going to be some support or resistance. And if there is, that's what you're looking to front run. I don't want to miss this move. I'll explain it a little bit more. Let's see if we can get a big push here. We keep getting the push, but then it's immediately retracing. Look how far those bands are away still. That's crazy. There's a lot of volume this morning, but just not a lot of... I mean, these candles are big in their own right, but they're not big in comparison to the amount of volume coming through. Well, bigger push. Get up there towards that high and red to green. Damn, still can't get it. How many ticks is this, just out of curiosity? Yeah, it's about 40. 50 plus is what you're looking for, right? Because then you can get out before the full retest. What's up, Pine Tree Trader? How are you this morning? Once we head back towards the middle, I'll talk about the opening trade a bit more again. We can get rid of this one, this one, this one. This one was respected, so we'll keep that one. That one looks like a pretty good one, even though we drew that from a bigger time frame. This one we can get rid of. This one we haven't retested yet, so we'll leave it. There it is. If it blows through here, then we can get rid of it. Yeah. So yeah, with the opening, so obviously a long here wasn't exactly what I would have been looking for at 9:30. So like I said, 9:29, your candle's right here. So we're looking for levels above and below there that are key levels. So the very immediate key level to the short side was here, right? It came down, touched. So the odds are if it comes down and touches, it's going to try to go to the next key level, which is why I drew this line, right? So if we go left, you can see that this is a pretty key level. So my order would have been somewhere around like here, looking to get in after it breaks this level and looking to retest this level. So if I front run that, that's 26 ticks and I'm only looking for 21. So that would have worked perfectly had it retested this level. But today we would have got faked out. I would have got faked out really hard. And we would have got filled, wouldn't have went 21 ticks and shot back up. Actually tried to come back down, but then shot back up and failed. So it would have been a failed opening trade today. So the fact that I was running late, crazy. Brago! What's going on, freelance writer? How we doing? Good morning. Cicerion, good morning. Did the wife jinx? I didn't trade it. I wasn't at the computer to trade it. Look, here's the account. It's a brand new fresh account. It's funded, as you guys can see, 50K over there on the left. And it's got the S. So you can tell if you guys are interested in how to tell if an eval or funded while looking at them. If you look at the eval, it's MFFUE, EV, right? And then if you come over to the funded account, it's MFFUSF. So that's how you can tell the difference. So S, you basically just look after the MFFU. If it's an E, it's an eval. The EV is for eval. And then the S, I don't know, I'm assuming it's for starter, but if it's not the EV, you know it's a funded account. So that's how you can tell the difference. So like right now, this is the one that I'm working on with the DCA and it has the EV, so it's still eval. So thankfully we didn't take the trade this morning. So it actually worked out in our favor. Sim funded, that would make sense. S, F, sim funded, S, yeah, that makes sense. Because it's EV and then they all have the ST after that. Sim funded, yeah, I guess that makes sense. We'll go with it, Mr. Lunari, hello, how's it going? It's going pretty good. We avoided a loss on the opening trade today. We're giving away a 50K starter account over at My Funded Futures. And my son didn't break any bones yesterday. So I'm actually feeling kind of good. I went to pick up pizza for dinner for my kids last night. And when I got home, I felt like doo-doo. Like my head started hurting. I didn't feel sick, but I just was like, I need to go to sleep. So I took a melatonin at 8 o'clock and I ended up falling asleep with my youngest. And I woke up, I think around 11:30 when he started kicking me a little bit. And then I went into my room and just passed right back out. Yeah, it felt good to get some more sleep than usual because I usually don't go to sleep until around 11 or 12 o'clock. That's called diabetes? No, I don't think so. Yeah, my son fell. So I had to leave the stream early yesterday because my son fell at school. He ran into another kid while they were running around at recess, and he fell on the basketball court. I was like, of course he couldn't be on the playground that's full of rubber mulch. But yeah, so he scraped up his knee and his elbow really good. And the nurse, when she called, she told me that, or she told my wife, which then my wife told me, that it was turning purple around where he fell on his elbow. So I immediately started thinking, oh, great, he broke some bones, etc. And so I rush over, I get him, and he seemed okay. He was extending it a lot more. It wasn't purple. Like, I don't, maybe it turned purple. I don't know, but it wasn't purple when I got there. Maybe it was just like some circulation type issues. I don't know, but he'll be fine. He just got scratched up pretty good. But then I did come back and still get to do the giveaway. So there a good amount of people actually stuck around. So for the giveaway, exclamation point marbles in the chat. That's all you need to do. You need to have an account with My Fund of Futures, not a paid account. You just have to have an account where you signed up with your email address, because I'll need that email address to give you the account if you win. And you do have to be here. You have to be here. And when you're typing exclamation point marbles in the chat, hit that like button. I appreciate that support. And if we somehow have 50 people in here while we're doing the giveaway, as well as 50 likes on the video, we'll do a second race of marbles for some money. You got the sugar Southern voice? I do? Was he trying to be a bully already? No, trust me. He's the one that would get bullied. He's not one to bully. He's very laid back. Exclamation point, win again. I guess Zishan could technically win again. I'm not going to be doing you can't win 2 of the accounts for these 9 days that we're doing the giveaway, because that is one of the rules that they kind of gave me, is that they don't want the same person winning multiple times. So if you do end up winning an account, you can still participate in the marbles race and hopefully the money race that we do after, if we have enough people and enough likes. But unfortunately, you're not allowed to win 2 of the accounts. That's what they call diabetes in the South, the sugar. I'm still lost. Are you talking because of my headache? Because I haven't had sugar in over a week. I feel like, oh, not sugar, caffeine. I didn't even think about the sugar. I actually didn't have any sugar yesterday or the day before. I started eating better again as of, well, the day before I didn't eat that great, but I didn't have any sugar. I just ate too much good food. But yesterday I got back on track with eating. And then today I know I'll be back on track because I bought food to allow myself. It's really just a matter of stop eating the kids' junk food, even though I shouldn't be feeding them the junk food either. A lot of their junk food, though, they don't eat that often. It's just there in the pantry, and I'm the one that ends up going in there and eating it because it's like the pantry's right behind me. So it's so easy for me to just get up, walk over there, and grab something. 29 people. I see 31 people watching and only 22 likes. We need everyone watching to hit that like button. Karen, get on them. Get them, Karen. I might have high cholesterol because of America. I do apparently have high cholesterol. Apparently it runs in on my dad's side of the family though. So you don't have any sugar or caffeine? Nah, the sugar, I'm trying to think what I ate that has sugar in it. And so yesterday, the meal that I ate, it's chicken, rice, maybe the cream of chicken has some sugar in it, but it can't be much. What else is in that? Cheddar cheese. And there's, and chicken broth. That's all that's in there. Salt, pepper. That's literally all that's in what I ate yesterday. Did I join the My Funded Futures contest? I don't know what contest. I saw that, but I did not. Is the registration over? I totally forgot about that. I remember reading the thing to you guys live on stream, and I just completely forgot about it. I think it said I'm automatically entered. Oh, it's over? Well, then crap. Speaking of coffee, anybody want some? I'm going to make some. I don't like coffee. And I wouldn't be able to drink it now because I'm going caffeine free. By the way, Diet Pepsi caffeine free. Ugh. It tastes just like Diet Pepsi, but even worse. Tim would be that person who sleep with a 6-pack of beer as a snuggly bear. Oh, that's funny. With ranch? You know, you actually reminded me. I need to log into my health portal thingamajigger. Because I was supposed to go to another doctor. She wanted me to go there, but I never got the referral. She said she was going to send me a referral. My portal. Is this it? Yeah. I might actually have to call them to figure out why they never sent the referral. I owe $30. Last paid $30 on 5/11. So why do I owe $30 if I paid the $30? Whoa! They broke it. It's 10 o'clock. They broke the market. News, guys. This is news, and it's not good, apparently. Holy smokes. 110 points. Like it was nothing. Careful. This is news. It literally broke it. Did you see that? It like stopped. Careful, careful. It's still going. Apparently it was not good. 125. We're still going. That's what you call an elevator. 130. Why does it keep doing that? Can I just click once? No, I gotta click and hold. But then I let go and it stays. Yeah, I hope nobody was long. It was not CPI. It was Jolt's job openings. No wick, but we'll see if we get a bounce. We are at the bands, crazy enough. But I always give it at least 5 minutes after news. Not messing around with actual news. I'm actually curious, like, how bad were the numbers versus the expected? It was expected 8.09 and it was 7.67, which, if I'm looking at the graph, I mean, it doesn't seem that dramatic. But obviously, I guess that's not good. Held the 15-minute opening range low so far. That is true. It's right here. Yeah. Well, how many ticks was that? It's probably a decent amount. Yeah. If you were playing, I don't know why it's doing that. It's getting winners. There we go. We are getting the bounce. If you put your order under here looking for the 15-minute break, and you're only looking for that 20 ticks, I mean, you would have got it, but it would have been because of news. So who knows if you'd actually be interested in that. The 15-minute high, that actually would have worked too. Not by much. And it looks like it was slow, but it did work. Well, apparently it wasn't that bad. We're going right back up. Although our low and high is actually relatively close together today. Although we almost just covered it in one candle. That's crazy. I've been caffeine free for years to help with my anxiety issues. I remember a week-long headache. I quit when I kicked Xanax. So mine is always a day. It's like a full day of just my head. I just want to pop my head off. I take ibuprofen. It helps, but it sucks. I've quit caffeine so many times I can't count, but I'm really going to try to make it official this time. I'm still drinking sodas, but there's so many caffeine-free sodas now that I can just do that. Like Fresca's is not really a soda, but Fresca, root beer makes a really good one. Is it A&W? Yeah, it's A&W Zero. That's caffeine free. And now both Coke and Pepsi, if you really want those, do make caffeine free, like diet caffeine free. It's Coke Zero caffeine free, and then there's Diet Pepsi caffeine free. I don't enjoy either of them. They both taste like their diet counterpart, but even worse. And then you have just like regular, like Crystal Light. Like there's so many drinks that are caffeine free that still have flavor. Because the reason I started drinking soda in the first place, the ones with caffeine, was literally just for the flavor of just not drinking water. So I've been trying to drink more water, but I need to find other elements to get into my system. Sorry, somebody came into the Discord to post something. If you guys haven't seen my fast track trading video I posted it this morning. And he was essentially coming in here, it looks like, to show me something else that he was talking about. Excuse me. The CEO, no one's trolling. We will refund and ban them. This guy. I had issues with Rhythmic, even though I sent videos and pictures of a few things I could. It was concluded that it was just my fault. Yeah. It seems to be how they've been operating lately. That CEO over there, he's a little crazy. Chai is good as well if you're looking to switch it up from something warm. Maybe. It is starting to get a little chilly. I had to give the kids their light jackets this morning. I'm gonna send a message to my doctor. I did my part. No, my guns were lost in a boating accident? What? Anyone have experience of ATF? Who's ATF? Tell your doctor I need to glow. Zishan. Oh, man. Apex Trader funding? Yeah, I have a lot of it. All my payouts that I've received so far are from Apex. I've never had any issues with Apex. They're a little bit harder to work with. And I just put a video out about them. So if you're interested in that, here, let me link it. Be a little easier. But I mean, essentially, I just say that the same stuff. Like Apex is a little bit harder to work with, and you have to wait longer for your payouts. The rules are a little bit more strict. But I've never had an issue getting paid out. It's just a matter of when you get paid out. I've never been asked for video proof of anything. Even a lot of the people that were saying they were asked for video proof, I've heard of a bunch of them come back and say that they manually approved it. I'm assuming that's probably from all the backlash they were getting. Yeah, the video thing. I mean, it is what it is, but there are better options, which is why I'm not trading with them right now. And right now, I don't see, if you're okay with trading 3 accounts or less, then I don't understand why you're not with My Funded Futures, because they're easily the best right now. They're the cheapest and the best. Like, their payouts are essentially instant. Once you get approved, you could have that money in your account within 2 hours. I'll say it took me an hour and a half. I bet you it could have been within an hour had I been paying attention to the emails. But it's just, it's $76 when you use code VOLA, or anybody's code for that matter, but it's $76 all in. It's a lifetime account. You pass the eval, it becomes a lifetime account. No additional activation fee, nothing. It's just, that's a 50K. Obviously there's other sizes, but yeah, it's crazy. And then if you do fail that eval, you get a reset for 50 bucks. It's 47.50 when you use the code. Even with the original 76 and then 47.50, you're still cheaper than had you went the activation fee route with like Bulenox, even Apex when they're not running 90% off. It's pretty crazy. If I don't win marbles, I'll use code VOLA. Sweet, sweet. Oh, I gotta sneeze. Excuse me. Woo. No, you can only have 3 funded accounts with My Funded Futures. That's like their one big downfall. And the other big downfall that a lot of people don't like is that you can't micro scalp. So you can't scalp for under 20 ticks. They say 5 points. I just use ticks. So you can't scalp for under 20 ticks, or it has to be over a 2-minute trade. So I'm almost positive it's one or the other. I haven't been told otherwise, and that's how it reads in the rules. So as of right now, that's kind of what I'm going with. And I haven't had any issues with it yet as far as passing like the evals and stuff. Obviously, was looking for a bigger push up through the current high as well as red to green. Right now it's using it as resistance. If we get the push up through, I'll just be looking for that as my retest point. But yeah, the 3 accounts and the scalping are like the 2 issues that people have with My Funded Futures. But if those 2 things don't matter to you as much, like I'm a scalper, but I'm just doing it for 20 ticks. Like if I was trying for 15, so adding 5 ticks in the grand scheme of things is really not that big of a deal. Alexa, off. I don't know why there was an alarm set, but. Oh, right. Yeah, you can have 10 evals. But you can't activate them all funded. You can only have 3 funded at once. But yeah, you can have 10 total. As Pine Tree stated, thank you. You can DCA. You can DCA, you can place multiple trades both directions at the open. Remember how Apex got rid of that? You can do that with My Funded Futures, which I've been doing. So that's why I brought the opening trade back. It's funny though, because I've noticed that even with the opening trade, usually I am still picking a direction, and it's usually the direction that I pick anyway. So I really don't feel like being able to place a trade on both sides is that necessary, but it is an option. You have exclamation point marbles in the chat. You guys have 47 minutes and 20 seconds until we do the giveaway. Hopefully I don't have a reason to pull myself away from the computer today. And we'll be closing that at 11. If for some reason we have 50 people in here with 50 likes on the stream, we'll do a second race after the account giveaway for some cash money, some PayPal cash money. You can DCA, but scalping is forbidden, but it's not. I scalp, all of my trades are basically scalps. It just has to be for more than 20 ticks. That's why a lot of people just hear you can't scalp and they think that that's that, but it's, you can't scalp for less than 20 ticks. So none of the scalping for 5 to 10 ticks over and over and over again. You can do it, just with, it has to be 20 ticks. They should be over 100. You can scalp for less. I feel like I'm having deja vu right now, but why? What do you mean they should be over 100? And don't forget the average time of your trades must not be less than 15 seconds. See, I was told that as long as you're over 20 ticks, the 15 seconds doesn't matter. I was told either 20 plus ticks or 2 minutes. Where does it say the 15 seconds thing? I could never find it. I went looking for it. I couldn't find it. Is it written somewhere? Or is that just something that people are being told? taking notes. Yeah, like I said, the two major things, where does it say at least 100 USD per trade? That's only if you're looking for the payouts. Well, you can probably check the rules before you buy the account. But did you read it in the Discord? You need, so if you want to pay out after 5 days, you need to make at least 100 per day. Yeah, it's per day, not per trade. That's like the requirement if you want to get paid out. So you technically, if you made $100 each day for the first 5 days of a funded account, you can withdraw that 500 bucks. But you're going to kill the account because your drawdown, the end of day drawdown, would then get moved to 50,100. So if you start with 50,000, you make 500, so you're at 50,500. You withdraw that 500, your account goes back to 50,000. But once you take a withdrawal, your drawdown goes to 50,100 on the account. So if you did that, you would effectively kill the account. You'd be better off, in my opinion. You can take out like 250, but then now you're only going to have 150 in drawdown to continue to try to keep trading. The best thing you could probably do is try to get a buffer. So try to get to like 2,000 or something like that, and then take out your money, kind of like you would do with an Apex account. Or you could just take out like 1,000, which would then still give you $900 in drawdown. But I mean, the best thing you could do is get to where, like, add 2,500. Like if you're keen on keeping that $2,500 in drawdown, then the best thing you could do is get to well over, like take 2,500 and then add what you want to withdraw on top of that, so that you can always stay at that drawdown amount. I personally, as long as I'm above the daily max loss, which is $1,200, that's what I would be looking to withdraw. So like, say if I got to like 3,200 bucks, I could then withdraw 2,000, knowing that I'll at least have $1,200 for that daily max loss. But I do agree, taking everything out is always a good option. Just like I would always say with Apex, you get to pay out, you take it, right? You can start a new account. That was the beauty of Apex. And that was what they were trying to get away from. But it's what everyone was doing, and it's smart. Like, why would you not take the full payout when you can? You still had a chance to bring that account back. But with My Funded Futures, in most cases, if you take everything, you're going to kill the account and you'd have to start over. Yeah, $200 as a buffer is just not enough. That's what I'm saying. You either got to just kill the account, take it all, or try to build the buffer to where you have a chance to keep it. I get the 1,300 and take 1,200. Don't be a degen like me. Wow, we're actually doing good. We got 35 people in here, 35 likes. That's good. That's good. Exclamation point marbles in the chat if you haven't already for the giveaway at 11 o'clock. I do have a landscaper guy coming over at 11:30. So I will be ending the stream around then, if not a little bit before then, just to get a quote for trying to, I don't know what I want to do. I don't know if we're going to, it depends on the cost, obviously. I don't know if we want to put sod in the backyard. I don't know if we want to put, just get it all leveled out and then just do grass seed. I don't know what I'm going to do. I would love to kill all the grass in the front and backyard and just start over, to be completely honest. I was able to trade even if the account was under 50K after I made a payout. Interesting. Wonder why. Your drawdown should have been moved up. Or wait, what broker are you talking about? Ticks before pips. I love it. Welcome, Texas UAV pilot. Welcome. You know, I never actually went into Methodical stream today because I was late and I just totally forgot. Travis is on as well. Is Methodical? Oh, there he is. I was like, is he not on? What's up with Methodical's background? It's like, oh, usually it's like green screen, but today it's not. Fed Talk was at, that was for Canada, wasn't it? Need 8 more likes. Wow, we're getting close. Let's go. Need the 50 people too. Get rid of this line. I guess we can get rid of this one too. Clean up the chart a little bit. All right, let me grab a drink real quick. Let's go. What you doing, baby girls? Oh, okay, 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 okay. I'm here. Yes, yes, I'm here. I'm here. Okay, 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 okay. All right, down, down. Dogs are crazy. Put him on the camera, you go bye-bye. The big one is a her. Willow is a girl. Tucker's the boy. Bro, how long did it take you to qualify for my fund of futures? You're trading micros, right? Can you tell me how many micros you trade? I'd start with 2, but I DCA if I have to. And I don't think I can show you now. Oh, actually, I think I can. Let's see. Didn't let me. Oh, wait, that's 17, 18. Is this 18? Yeah. Interesting. I don't hear. Oh, sorry. I thought I had it up. So I opened that account 8/16, so August 16th. So if we go back, it took me. The heck? Now it's not even showing August. It was just there. Hold on. 18. Click back. Where? Oh, there it is. Okay. So the 16th, I opened it. Opening trade all of these days, and then we had the opening trade yesterday on Tuesday, but for some reason it's not there. I didn't mean to click that one. So this day it worked as well. So what is that? 1 7 14 20, so it's like 18 days, something like that. Yeah, they have My Fund of Futures literally essentially gives you a diary or journal for free. It's pretty crazy. They break everything down. Oh yeah, you can see 8/16 passed on 9/3. It gives you everything. Scroll down, you can literally see best trade, worst trade, win rate. I mean, everything. Profit, you even have profit factor, the amount of contracts you use. Look, here you go. Under 15 seconds is the majority of my trades. And I was told that I still want to go look for that, but I was told that they like check the evals too. Like before they allow you to pass into the funded account, they still check your evals to make sure that you're still like trading properly. But yeah, to me, My Fund of Futures is just above and beyond right now. I don't really see anyone that, I mean, not only are they above me, like I would pay a little bit more for this, but you don't even have to. They're the cheapest out there right now. There's no one even close. You're paying $76 all in. So you're getting a lifetime account if you pass. It's end of day trailing drawdown. Those two things right there alone, people like other brokers make you pay more for. And their payouts are, like I said, I don't have an actual payout from trading yet, but when I did take a payout from their affiliate side of things, it was approved. Once it was approved, which was the same day, I think it was like a couple hours, but once it was approved, it was sent to my Rise account. And then from my Rise account to my bank account, all within an hour and a half. Like that's how quick it was to get it into my bank account. And like I said, if I was paying attention to the emails, it probably would have been quicker than that. Yeah, the FTT video, I'm telling you, it's just a matter of time. I guess Scott from FTT got charged writing bad checks forgery, probably why they struggle to get credit cards and banking. Probably. I didn't know that, but probably. Rapsy, thank you for subscribing. Welcome to the volatility team. May the ticks be with you. I like that. It does kind of sound natural. And I've been saying it over and over again. Sunken over on Twitch, or Stonk, sorry. You are working on your second evaluation account. Third one was done as well. I am working on the second one. The third one is, I haven't touched it yet. So I passed the first one, and that's where we're at. All right, we did not get the push that we were looking for, so we'll look for more. There we go. We need to keep going, keep going, keep going. Go, 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 go. Go, 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 go. Need more, need more. There's the retest of that. So now we use the new one. Yep, over on YouTube, if you're on Stonks or Twitch, head over to YouTube, !marbles in the chat. It will enter you into the drawing for the $80 giveaway via a MyFunded Futures 50K account. It's the starter account. All you need to do is have an account with MyFunded Futures. You don't have to buy an account or a challenge. You just have to have an account that you signed up with so that I have the email address that you use to sign up. And that's all you need. You just have to be here to accept the prize if you win. We'll be doing that via marbles, hence the ! Marbles. It's a fun way to do the giveaways. It's completely random. Once you're in the race, you don't have to do anything else. You just sit back and watch. Cannot seem to get a big push. Today I'm winning that race. I love it. Like I said, if we do end up with 50 people watching at the time of the marbles race, as well as 50 likes on the video, we'll do a second race for some cash money. We seem to be getting closer. I feel like we're getting closer. It's just a matter of if we can get there. It's like I see all these other people, like Methodical's got 165 people, Trading with Travis has 82 people. It's like we just can't seem to get over that 50 person mark. I don't know why. It'll happen. It'll happen. Just got to keep believing. Just like Ryu believes he's going to win that race today, I'm going to believe that we're going to get those 50 concurrent viewers. Oops. All right, attempt to move higher again. Jolt's job openings, who cares about those? Nobody cares about those. So here we go. I'm gonna read this. I just skimmed through this, so I don't know if this proves my point or not. But while we're waiting for the market to actually give us what we're looking for, maybe I'll wait until we're back towards the middle line here. But it's about the scalping rules. Thumbnails like getting 50K payout would attract people, but I don't get 50K payouts. Expand the viewer count or something like that. You're not wrong, but I'm also not in the world of clickbaiting. I pride myself on having a channel that is just fully transparent and honest. So I refuse to make clickbait type stuff. Yeah, I got you. I don't have anything exciting to post like that. Not at the time anyway. So that's why I can't. Now, if I would be more than proud to post that I made 50K in payouts if I actually did. But yeah, I feel it. That's why I try to post titles like with the $80 giveaway and stuff, because I know that probably helps. Clickbait equals more views. Well, then I don't want more views. I do everything I can to not clickbait. If my title says something, it's because that's what I'm talking about. Yeah, I did, Marius. I wonder if he had to send in video proof. Obviously, if he got the one, it was actually 1.92, I think, the payout. I think it was, obviously he was in his at least third month of trading in order to get the unlimited payouts. So I wonder if they even made him do the recordings. Because most of the people are chasing fake happiness or fake achievements. You're not wrong. That's why the people that post their cars in the background and stuff like that, it's all a joke. They paid with those cars from affiliate money and courses and stuff like that, not from trading. Most of the people posting all that stuff are ones that did not make it in a legit way, like not from trading. What about that? What about it, Rayu? It's completely true. I'm trading Nasdaq futures and I'm doing an $80 giveaway at 11 o'clock. Where's the clickbait? Do I have any other side business? So we did have a rental property for a while. Actually, I mean, I can't remember the last time we didn't have a rental property until now. But no, not really. Just YouTube. That's why I appreciate everybody using my code. But I do give back as much as I can. I do my best to give back as much as I can because I know that you guys are supporting me by using my code. So it's like I try to give back because you help me. So it's just one of those things. Here we go. I thought I was about to talk about the scalping, but we're right back at the highs. From your experience, how much do you make per trading day for an eval? 300? 300 is perfect. Because I would take, so if you're on a 50K account, 300 would mean it would take 10 days, which is exactly what it took me on that opening trade account. Bahamas Trader, good morning. Stock Butcher, how we doing? Unpopular opinion, Mark Douglas was the OG course failed trader. I mean, but he admits it. Doesn't he admit that he was never a great trader? The heck? Wasn't it like he would straight up just say that he was better at teaching people how to trade than trading himself? I agree. He definitely didn't make it from trading. But yeah, I guess in a way, if you look at it, he made his money from selling the idea of trading. Marius, thank you very much. I appreciate it. Man, we are just getting fake out after fake out. Oops. You need 260, not 300. 1K a day, go figure, go home. Mark Douglas have great psychological training words. I mean, he does. I saw you the other day selling some weed in the Bronx. Nope. Yeah, I'm pretty sure he did say that. I used to watch, I had a workshop uploaded on my YouTube for a long time until I got a cease and desist for it. And I thought it was amazing. I watched it so many times. I still have it. It's downloaded on my computer. But I haven't watched it in a while. It's a really great workshop though. Like if you're struggling with the psychological part of things, it's definitely a good watch. "20 minutes, 30 seconds, exclamation point marbles in the chat. If you haven't already, like the video while you're typing that in there, subscribe if you haven't already subscribed. Exclamation point, no marbles. Exclamation point, 50 viewers. Trading in the zone sits on my desk. Yeah, I'm not a reader. I do not like reading. All right, real quick. I don't even think I'd take a trade unless we got like a big giant move, because we're so close to the EMA anyway that I would need a pretty big move. So let me come over here real quick. This is straight from their help center. Basically, they're saying microscalping is not allowed, but then they have this section right here, microscalping versus regular scalping. While both microscalping and regular scalping aim to profit from small price movements, they differ in the execution and risk profiles. Regular scalping involves holding trades for a slightly longer period, typically a few minutes, and aiming for large profit margins such as 5 to 10 points. So right there, they're saying 5 to 10 points. I mean, it does say typically a few minutes, but it doesn't say that it's not for a short period of time. Microscalping, trades only last a few seconds and target very small amounts, often less than 5 points. This strategy relies heavily on low slippage and perfect market conditions, making it less reliable in real trading scenarios. So how I read that is that as long as you're over 5 points, right? That's the very similar, or the very key point in both of these. They're saying regular scalping is 5 to 10 points or 5+ points, where microscalping is anything less than 5 points. And then like down here, even in their examples, they're basically saying you were in the trade for 12 seconds, but again, only for 10 profits, which was only half a point. 8 seconds, half a point. $10, half a point. 10 seconds. 42 seconds, 20. So even here, it took 42 seconds, but they're only making $20, which is only 1 point. 31 seconds, $15. So they're really emphasizing on the points that you're making on the trade, right? So these are all. And then it says, you can't really see it, I'm behind it. It says, microscalping is a high frequency trading strategy that aims for minimal profits over a very short period. While it can be effective in certain market conditions, it also comes with significant risks and challenges, particularly in live trading environments where slippage and order execution can impact results. Traders considering this strategy should be aware of its limitations and ensure it aligns with the overall trading goals and risk management strategies. Understanding the nuances of microscalping is crucial for traders, especially those in simulated or prop trading environments where such strategies may be restricted to ensure long-term profitability and sustainability. And I mean, if you scroll through here, it just really emphasizes the 5 points. I'm going to keep looking to see if I can find something more concrete. But I'm pretty sure the 5 points is what they're drawing the line at, not the time. Because like I said, in all their examples, it goes down into like, there was even one where, here, the 7th one right here, repeated short-term trades. So the duration was 2 minutes and 6 seconds, right? So that's over that 2 minutes that was brought up earlier, but they still only made 1 point. So although slightly longer in duration, this trade still aims for a very small profit margin, indicative of a microscalping strategy. So again, the profit margin is really what I think they're counting on and what they're paying attention to. My target is 3 points. I mean, I guess you got to go longer than 2 minutes then, which we all know you can't go longer than 2 minutes. But what if you decide to break even? That's completely different. So if you're in a trade for a long period of time and you decide to take it off at break even or even at a loss, etc., like that's not going to count against you. They can see your account. They can see what you're doing in each trade. So if like every once in a while you take a trade off at break even, they're not going to care. That's just risk management, right? Once you get into a trade, you can't be like, oh, I either have to lose max loss or make more than 5 points. Like that's just not how it works. Like they still want you to trade risk management, obviously. Why is this up like that? There we go. When I move my stop, I always move it 1 tick in the red from break even with them. I mean, that's not a bad idea. If you're looking to break even, then that way they would consider the trade red and then obviously not break even. But even break even is essentially a red trade because of commissions. But what if my trades are less than 15 seconds but making plus $200+? $200 on how many contracts? Because if it's only one contract, then you're fine, right? Because that would be It's one point. That would be 10 points with one contract. So if it was two, so one or two contracts, that scenario is fine. But anything more than two contracts on the NQ, so if you were using three, that wouldn't be, because you'd be making less than 5 points. You don't understand what, Marius? Why they care about how you trade? It's their way of preventing. Remember the problem Apex had? It's the same thing. This is their way of preventing that problem from ever happening. You got to remember, they're giving you the opportunity to make a lot of money with a little amount of money. So they have rules, and it's just, you just have to follow the rules. They told another YouTuber at least 22 ticks. Where does it say this? It literally says 5 points on their website. I go over, I look at their website, I find the rules, and I go for it. I mean, even here up top, it says the key characteristics of micro scalping. Trades are typically held less than 15 seconds, which I do sometimes, but then this is the big one, the minimal profit targets, aiming for profit margins of less than 5 points or just a few ticks. 5 points is 20 ticks, not 22. That doesn't make any sense to me. They're also saying executing a large number of trades, which I don't do that either. Like, I'm more so looking for specific key setups. So, I mean, it doesn't matter because I'm getting more than the 5 points anyway. I use the 5 seconds for my entries. There are tons of candles that are 5 points or more times. Exactly. So as long it's all about the 5 points or 20 ticks. Marianne was on their Discord. I don't know who Marianne is. Are you talking about Kellyanne? Is that her name? Kellyanne? Yep, exclamation point marbles. You got 13 minutes. 13 minutes to type exclamation point marbles, get in the giveaway. We'll keep talking about this for sure. Oh, we got almost 50 people in here. Let's go. Guys, if we're at 50 concurrent viewers with 50 likes on the video at the time of the first marbles race for the My Funded Futures 50K giveaway, the $80 account, I will do another race right after that for $25 cash money. $25 cash money straight to your PayPal. Thoughts on black people? What? What is that? What kind of question is that? Are you asking like my thoughts? People are people, man. That's always been my stance. There was a time in my life where I grew up in an area where it was predominantly black, and I had Zishan's doppelganger, and I mean all my friends. I had a ton of friends that were black. I think my generation. I'm 38. I think my generation was one of the last generations where, like, one of the first generations where race really didn't matter. Like we don't care. The generation before me, I think, was like the last generation that like shows their racism fairly hard. Like anyone born before like the 80s, I think like there's some hard pressed people, like whether they want to admit it or not. But I think if you were born in the 80s, or at least like the late 80s, I was born in 85. Like I'm telling you, we just don't care. It's not even a big deal. When we were in school, color, yeah, that's what I'm saying. Like we literally didn't even think about it. I totally agree with Froggo. All right, coming up on 10 minutes. 10 minutes. Let's get marbles open. Let's see how many people are in the races. We got 50 likes on the video, and we're super close to 50 concurrent viewers. I like it. I love it. Rayu, are you racing? He said, yes, Jesus. How old are you, Rayu? Curious. We're definitely going to play. I know which two tracks we're going to play. We're going to play the Fast Rainbow Road and the Inevitable Inventive Invasion. Those are my two favorites. Let's see. Right now we have I should message Steve. I haven't seen Steve in here. We got 58 people in the giveaway. Let me see if Steve slipped in here at some point. I do not see him. Let me shoot him a text message real quick. I'm not gonna close the marbles entries until, oh look, there's Steve. Rayu is Jag.
Oh, you gotta give him that.
Did he answer how old he was?
And spit on that thing. You get me?
18? You're not 18. No way. If so, I guess I could understand a little bit. Yeah, I do agree. We should probably not talk about that. Old Steve. There's Steve. How do we know Steve's there? He rolls through them all. You're 100% 18? Well, that makes sense. You're just not mature enough yet. You will, though. You'll get there. You'll get there. I don't know if something happened to you at some point. Yada, 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 but... Why is my phone... Oh, nothing. Rayu just being a little immature. I just texted you, Steve. That's funny. Your dad's... Are you just trolling then? Rayu and I are the same age emotionally. That's funny. Womp womp. So there's a timer on them. Steve steals the timers. He said he was Shishoga? Oh, I didn't see that part. What happened to my winnings? What are you talking about? We've only had one trade today. I know, I see. We got to keep the viewers. Viewers got to be there during the giveaway. My wife's... Jeez. All right. I was just talking to a buddy of mine about how in the MLB might not be there might not be a 100-game winner this season. And I looked it up. The last time that's happened was 2004. Was it 4 or 14? Last time was 2014. 2014. 10 years. It's crazy. I think the phone's still wigging out. Oh, there it goes. Ah, my phone is going absolutely nuts. All right, I'm just gonna let it go. All right, we got 6 minutes. 6 minutes! Exclamation point marbles in the chat if you haven't already. No, I'm not gonna talk baseball. I just happened to look at it for a second there. Why can't you win? Because you already won one. I'm not doing double account giveaways. Oh, we're losing the concurrent viewers. No, don't leave. You gotta be here. You gotta be here for the giveaway. I'll sign on the multiple accounts to get... No, that's frowned upon. I don't want you to do that. That's not the point. This not cookie, sir. What are we talking about? Batches? Let's talk about fake football, like American football. You said you were in love with American football the end of last season. It's getting ready to start tomorrow, baby. Ravens Chiefs, let's go. You'll see me wearing my Ravens stuff tomorrow. Someone is banned from winning again. No, you're not banned from winning again, just throughout the giveaways until next Friday. Football season, let's fucking go. Soccer is better. No, I'm gonna disagree. I actually enjoy playing soccer a lot, but I can't agree with you that soccer is a better sport to watch. Chiefs going for the three-peat. I wouldn't even doubt that they do. I mean, they got Taylor Swift on their side. Here we go. The almost 11 o'clock trade that always seems to get me. Wow, I almost hit the button there. Just hoping for a little bit more. Ugh. I hate when it starts a new candle. That's just not enough. It's only 29 ticks. It's just not enough. See if we can get a push away from that candle. It already got the retest. Wasn't much of a retest. MMA is the best sports to watch. MMA is a lot of fun to watch. I won't disagree with that. Just pushing out of a sideways base. Yeah, essentially. And we are overall since that news. If you discount the news and just come back to around here, I mean, we're essentially just kind of creeping our way up anyway. Street Beefs is awesome. I have watched a lot of Street Beefs. You get to watch like some raw fighting from not so trained fighters. It's a lot of fun. You should have pressed buy somewhere. Yeah. Exclamation point marbles in chat. You got 3 minutes. 3 minutes. I will be starting the first race at 11 o'clock. If your name is not on the list, it's not on the list. But you will still be eligible for the second giveaway, which looks like we're going to get there. 50 concurrent viewers. So stick around if you don't win the first race. There is going to be a second race for $25 cash money. Cash money. You just got to have a PayPal account for that. For the first one, for the account giveaway, you have to have an account with My Funded Futures. You don't have to have a paid account challenge. You just have to have the email address that you signed up with to make an account. And then with that email address, I can then get the account onto your account, your overall account. Rayu is very confident today. I know. I'll just say I'm going to start the race now. Exclamation point marbles in the chat. Because if I do, then all the people that are a minute or two late, they can now start entering it in now instead of later. You think it's BS you can't get it? Oh, you won one already. It's BS that I let you win one. Too many scammers and schemers and marbles. We need to send them in. Yeah. So I need you all to record your screen as the marbles race is going. And if you win, I need you to send me that video from your perspective. I need to make sure it was you that typed it in. Take it back? Yeah, I'll message a guy real quick and tell him to fail you. To me, I will not win. It's been about 5 hours, still no answer from FTT for my payout. Telling you, the snowball effect is starting. Friday, let's do the top 10 does the battle royale. I like it. We could do that. Look at this. Of course I'm going to possibly get a trade right before the race starts. I feel like this happens almost every time. The 11 o'clock push. We'll start calling it. We'll do it on both Fridays because I have accounts for the rest of this week and all of next week. So we'll be doing one account per day until next Friday. And I'll do the $25 cash giveaway too every day as well. That's every day, even after the account giveaways are done. I'll do $25 in cash for our marbles race that we do at 11 o'clock after the giveaways or after the account giveaways are done, as long as we have 50 people in here and 50 likes at 11 o'clock. I have no problem. Guys, the race is going to start late if we have a chance at a trade. The trades are more important. Just not getting enough push. This one hasn't retested yet, so I'll give it a sec. So we can get the push higher. There's 11 o'clock. See what happens here. Looks like I might want to try to pull back. You guys have until I get marbles open here. We're waiting on the market to either decide to push or to push down one way or the other. Right now it's just doing all these fake outs. Look at all these lines. There's all fake outs. The reason I draw all these lines, for anyone that's wondering, every time it fakes out, it makes a new high. I'm looking for a retest. So when we finally get a push, usually the high of that previous candle is where it will try to retest. That's why I keep drawing the line. All right, looks like we're pulling back. All right, pulling up the marbles race. Here we go. You need to pass the My Fund of Futures account. Should I go long? You can do what you want. I am not trading the PA. The PA is for the opening trade. Like I said, I've separated the accounts. I have the one that I passed the eval yesterday. That was the opening trade. I did not trade the opening trade today, thankfully. I would have actually lost the opening trade today. So that was good. It's a repetitive scene. What is? I gutted. I was going to sign up for FTT. Now I'm not sure. Yeah, I told you. I told you. How many cameras needed to record that video? Is one acceptable? No, you need 3. You need 3 cameras. Let me catch up on chat real quick and then we're going. Go long, go strong. Not financial advice. No financial advice ever given here. All right, here we go. Marbles it is. Clear. Open. 72. Are we at 50 people? We are at 50 people. All right, so we'll do the giveaway. As I was saying before, even when we're done doing the account giveaways as of next week, after next Friday, if we have 50 people in here with 50 likes at 11 o'clock, we'll do, people have second accounts. I can't stop it. I can't stop it, unfortunately. But it is what it is. Even Mia Khalifa did not use 3 cameras. All right, 72. Oh, I gotta add myself. Can't play without me. Can't play without me. Mr. Code VOLA in the house. 73. And we will do, for the account giveaway, let's do the inevitable. Inventive. Invasion. Here we go. Bahamas shirt, you've been here for how long? Sorry, man. You're gonna have to wait. You're still part of the cash giveaway, just not the account giveaway. Always comes in there, the heavy hits. Here we go. $80 My Funded Future 50K starter account on the line. All you have to do is win and be present. Let's go. Last in, first out. You're gonna have to be the first out of the next race. Down we go. Who we got in the lead? Yo Bear and Eddie Stuff. Top 2 situation. Steve's in 3rd. That'd be hilarious if Steve wins. Hitting the outside is not the best because you want it, or the inside. You want to get to the outside just like Keeter did. That was perfect. Does he get yeeted? Who's going to get yeeted? Someone's going to get yeeted. It's just a matter of who as we go into the fleshlight. Trying to keep a wide angle. Oh, Mom! You didn't even get yeeted. You just fell off. Oh, Kosiji! Kosiji, no! Oh! Cecilia, no! Addicted to the charts. Let's go. I love that name. We're in the windmill. It's going. We actually have a real windmills down there. They call this the tumbler. Into the tumbler. Keeter, first one out of the tumbler. Hannah HLH close behind on this side. Anna, Neo, TCG Andy. Let's go. You want to get pegged. The idea of this one is to get pegged or hit another marble. Just like that, Hannah and Sugar collide. Keeter hits a peg. Down we go. Hannah and Keeter, top 2. Coming down into the windmills. Once you get through the windmills, it gets a little dicey because there's a laser down there and it has claimed, I think, the person out in the lead the last couple times. These windmills are no joke though, but Hannah gets through. Hannah almost through both windmills. Second attempt here. Nope, does not. Still in first though. She's going to get down this time. Down and through into the laser. Does the laser get no? By the laser. Here we go. Now she just has to prevent getting yeeted. Keeter and Bob Means playing catch up. All you got to do, Hannah, is get to the end first. Stick to the outside. Stick to the outside. Hannah's in the lead. She's going towards the outside. Don't get yeeted. Got to find the test tube. Keeter playing catch up. Keeter coming through. Keeter could find it. Mike Pike out of nowhere. Mike Pike coming out of nowhere to steal the win from Hannah. Texas UAV pilot also coming out of nowhere a little bit too late. Keeter's going to come in third. Look at Code VOLA coming in fourth. Let's go. Mike Pike out of nowhere. Straight up cheating for the win. Falls into the test tubes first. That's a win for Mike Bike. Now we do have to wait 5 minutes if he doesn't respond. Once it's over. Mike Bike, are you here? It's rigged. It's completely random. Remember Steve, how he was in third place at the beginning? Where's he at? Oh, there he is. Mike Bike, thank you, Froggo. Are you here? You have 5 minutes from the end of the race. Oh, I wasn't even paying attention until I heard my name. Dude, you came out of Whoa, Steve, what was that? You came out of nowhere, man. You weren't even in the picture. And you just literally just shot out of that tube up there for the win. Mike, I'm assuming you would like to accept the account. I need to know that as well. We'll go back over to the charts real quick as we wait on Mike's response. He's my brother. I got you. I've had bad and good luck in this Mortals game. Hannah, that was rude by Mike Bike. Seeing these games too often, winner is always coming from nowhere. All right, Mike, I just need you to join the Discord. I'll put the link if you're not already in there for everybody. You guys will be able to join if you aren't already in there. I just need you to find me in there. I will pull up what I need and I'll verify you and get you that account. I just need you to show me a picture of your @ So let me show you mine real quick. Show me mine. Show me yours. I'll show you mine. So top right in your YouTube, you click this, it'll show you the @ and your name. I just need you to message me that on Discord just to verify that it is indeed you. And with that, exclamation point marbles 11:10. You have until 11:10. We'll run back the other track that I love so much, the rainbow track, and that'll be for $25 cash money. Everyone's still in there, but you are more than welcome to type exclamation point marbles in just to make sure. Why am I hiding stuff? Fred, why are you hiding stuff? Oh, it was deleted by Zishan. What? Why are you deleting stuff, Zishan? It said trend day. Why did you delete that? Mistake. Abuse of power. Get him. So obviously the markets are now pulling back. We never got that nice push that we were looking for. Probably just go all the way back to the lows. I'm just kidding. I don't know what we're going to do. Exclamation point marbles in the chat. You have 1 minute and 20 seconds. We're going to run it back for $25 cash money. If you guys want to talk in the Discord after the stream is over, feel free. We're in there all the time. Hootin' and Hannerin', hootin' and nannyin', hootin' nanny, hootin' and nannyin', all that good stuff. Nope, you do not have to type it again if you did already. But if you would like to check to make sure, you got 50 seconds. Congrats again, Mike Bike. That was actually really good. That was fun. Hootin' and hollerin'. There it is. Mike, where's your bike? I hope you got a big trunk because I'm putting my bike in it. Hootin' and nannerin'. Hootin' nannerin'. The heck was that?
Oh, you gotta give him that hawk and spit on that thing. You get me?
Did she spit it back out? I would have caught it from. All right, sorry about that. Here we go. Landscapers are not early. My dog, that was her howling. I've never heard her howl before, but apparently my mom's giving her their daily treat, and yeah, it's once every it's once every 10 minutes you can use the spit command, guys. Every command you can only use once every 10 minutes, and you can thank Steve for that. All right, let's do it. $25 cash money. Oh, hold on. Did Mike Bike finally? There we go. Mike, what kind of picture is this, Mike? You could at least focus the camera before you take it. So the $25, the $25 cash giveaways, you can win those infinitely. Mike cheated. He used his bike to sneak through. Refunds for all. Yeah, I'll give you refunds. You ready? Here you go. Free, 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 free. All right, let's get it. Sorry, I'm not delaying. All right, let's Fast Rainbow Road. Let's do it. Yeah, Mike, I can't really see that picture. I mean, it looks like it's right, but okay, there you go. All right, so Mike, I need your email address that you use to sign up with My Funded Futures. Just send that in the Discord as well. All right. Oh, I forgot to hit bots. I forgot to update the list too, so that was a good thing. Oops, not Grand Prix, race, community, favorites, rainbow, bots, add names, clear, open. 75. So we added 3 people. Then I gotta add myself back. Oh no, I was one of them. Oh no, yeah, that's right. Code VOLA. 76. And play. Yeah, I got it. Can we watch the race with you if you don't mind, of course? Oh, good thing you said that. That's a good thing you said that. I thought I clicked it, but I guess I didn't. Could you imagine I did that again? Oh, man. All right, here's the race. It's pretty fun. You make it through this first portion, and then you just jet down all these rainbow roads. You got to teleport into the next one. It's pretty fun. Oh, that would have been bad. All right, here we go. 3. For $25 cash money, all you need is a PayPal account and the victory. 2, 1, go. Market's actually dumping back down. No trades for me. Pine Tree, John Doe, early leaders. Here we go. Going into the pegged spinny pegs. Again, you either want to hit a marble or a peg. It'll make you drop faster. So if there's ever a time in your life that you wanted to get pegged, it's now. Just like Trader to be Steve got pegged. A couple people got pegged. over the gears. Steve in close second place. Trader to be makes it almost straight through. Does he get through? No, he doesn't. That's brutal. Steve out to the lead. Can he get through? Gets shot. That might be good though. Gets shot through. Him and is that Trade 90? That's Marius. Steve and Marius out to the early lead here. Code VOLA on the chase. Into the pegged fleshlight. Here we go. Ooh, Marius got pegged. Steve gets pegged. Code VOLA does not get pegged and takes the lead. Wait. Okay. I was like, what? How's he in the lead? Going straight down. There's the first portal. Marius took the lead back. Does not hit the portal right away, but is first one through. We're going to follow the leader. There's some, I believe, some blocks on this one coming up. Nope, not this one. It must be the next one. But you want to get in that portal. If you can go straight in there. Ooh, not even close. Because now if someone catches up, they could block you. No one's even close. Where's Cecilion? Oh, they're just now making it there. Marius out to a huge lead. Big group coming behind. But Marius needs to get held back somewhere. There's the blocks. If he hits one of these blocks, it could get held back. But he goes straight through. Here we go. There's no one even close. Marius, you are out to a huge lead. Now keep in mind, when we get to the end, people can fall through. And you can fall through and win, or you could fall through and die. So yeah, I almost think with this lead, you want to go straight to not even chance it. You're going to go straight in. Look at this lead. Oh, so close. Not quite. Still no one playing catch up yet. Here we go. This is it. Oh, I shouldn't have hit that yet. So you can shoot through it. You got to shoot through this fast, just like that. Doesn't fall out though. Or does he? No, he doesn't. Okay, he's going the right way. Here comes Steve. He does not shoot through. Now you got to shoot down through those flashlights and get lucky and fall through like Gunner. Can he make it in? No, Gunner does not. We're going the right way. ASR does not make it. Here we go. Someone else fell through. No, I thought Pine Tree fell through. Looks like Lucky Charm somehow made it through first. Steve and Lucky Charm. Lucky Charm with the win. Steve with a close second. There's Froggo. Froggo with the shortcut, taking the last podium position. Froggo, all you have to do is do that about 10 seconds earlier. Lucky Charm stealing the victory away from Steve. Absolutely getting caught up in the tumbler there was Marius coming in 5th. Crazy. Lucky Charm, are you here? Froggo, if you could give me the old at Lucky Charm, I'd appreciate that. GG, we might be running it back. It depends if Lucky Charm's got to be here. We did have way more entrants than people that were here. So stick around. Stick around, you never know. Karen and Muffy the cat. Oh, Stock Butcher, even worse. There we go. His name's not coming up. He's not here. He's not here. All right, we got 5 minutes. So 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. All right, 11:23. If he does not show up by 11:23, we'll run it back. We'll run it back. Keep an eye on the market while we wait. Mike Bike, I got your email. Let me send that over. Mike, I do have a couple other, or just one other question. Let me find who I asked it to yesterday. All right, once it is issued, Mike, I will let you know. But he's usually pretty quick with it as long as he's around his computer. I did give away the account. Mike Bike won. He cheated, but he won. I'm just kidding. He didn't cheat. He just kind of came out of nowhere. Play another one for free while we're waiting. But what if somebody wins the one for free and it could have been for money? I'd feel bad. Or how about this? How about, since I have to go, we'll play one for free. And if Lucky Charm doesn't show up in the next 3 minutes or 2.5 minutes, we'll add this one to tomorrow if we have the 50 people. How about we do that? Or we can run 2 races tomorrow, because I really do have to go.
Spit on that thing.
We can run 2 races tomorrow after the account giveaway. Let's do that. Let's do that. All right, we'll play one more for fun. I have to go after that. And then we'll run 2 for money tomorrow. At least 1 for sure. Even if there's not 50 people here, we'll still run the one from today for money if he doesn't show up in the next 2 minutes. But we'll play one more for fun anyway. Let's do one with a high elimination. How about that? Not 99%. Let's do one with like 80%. First one with 80% over 100 plays. There we go. 79%. Almost aggressive adventure. Let's do it. Oh, I forgot they had bots. Yay me. Where's the... All right, here we go. Here we go. Looks like most people are leaving anyway. I'll stay silent this time. Here we go. I have no idea what this track does or what it's about. Whoa. Whoa. Okay, okay. I kind of like this. Who's going to get yeeted right off the bat? Oh, Keeter. Keeter getting yeeted. Oh, Josh. Oh, everyone's getting yeeted. I love it. I love the yeets. Huh? The map. Oh, here we go. I got you. I got you. I'm really bad at that. Everyone's getting yeeted. What is this? Why is everyone just falling off? Oh, you're getting lasered too? Yeesh. There's too much going on. I can't even follow. People are just falling off the map. And there's lasers everywhere. No, HP gone. Here we go. TCG Andy. Let's see if you can last. Oh, no! Just yeeted. Sorry. It was actually pretty fun seeing everyone get yeeted at the beginning, too. Maybe we'll play it again for fun. Oh, here we go. All right, so we still got a bunch alive here. Down some Plinko. Some pegs. I see a teleport pad there. I guess if you hit that, that's probably a good thing. Or wait. Oh, no, it just takes you back. Oh, so it teleports you until you make it up into one of these. Vegeta just getting blasted back to there. No. People are getting blasted. Gunner makes it through. Boom. It blasts you all the way back. That's crazy. Gunner out to Elite. I love this map. We're going to be favoriting this for sure. Still a bunch of people left for 80%. Oh, Anna, no. Derek and Gunner. Loving it. Oh, these lasers? Where are the... Oh, they're down the middle, so you can't hit them. Derek and Gunner. Pretty much neck and neck. Just on different sides of the map. Mario and Mr. Lunari also playing catch-up. These look like the exact same path. It's just who can make it through first. Derek getting caught up. Mario out in front. Gunner close behind. Who's going to be first here? They're getting caught up. Who's first in? Gunner and Mr. Lunari. It's pretty close. Who's going to drop first? Who's it going to... Mr. Lunari looks like he has the lead. Winner! Mr. Lunari. Gunner close second. Mario in third. I didn't even see Mario drop. What a race that was. That was pretty fun. That was fun. Only 19 people are still in the race. I didn't even... yeah, these are still the same. Oh, that's great. That was fun. All right, so he did not claim his prize. Tomorrow we'll run it back. Same thing, except tomorrow, if we have 50 viewers, 50 likes, we'll do 2 of the $25 cash giveaways after the $80 account giveaway. Account giveaway tomorrow. All you have to do, again, be here, show up, exclamation point marbles in chat. 11 o'clock, we'll do the account giveaway. Hey, Steve, you were alive, and I was still alive. Let's go. We were one of the ones that actually stayed alive. So that's all you got to do. I'll be here same time, same place tomorrow. I don't have to leave tomorrow either, so we can sit here and run them back as much as we have to, or even just play for fun. I appreciate y'all being here. Code VOLA for all your needs as usual. Until tomorrow, have a good rest of your day. Peace.
Down. Wet.
Cool outside.
Yeah. When I watered it, it looked like the water was on the whole thing, and I'm like, okay, I think it's supposed to absorb it, but it's also supposed to roll off. So the one on the side, it rolled sideways. Like it didn't roll this way, it rolled that way. And I was like, okay.